Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with Chevrolet Connected Access, power rear windows with express down, OnStar and Chevrolet Connected Services capable, chrome bumpers, power front windows with passenger express down, power front windows with driver express up and down, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 4-way manual driver seat adjuster, lockable tailgate, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system, and much more. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.